Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. This is Sohail Abbasi from MeritPros. Let's get started.
I'm going to exploring the Jenkins part first, right? Let me open this Jenkins part from here. I'm going to enter the password, username and password. You guys can keep your username, password, whatever the username and password you want to take. I'm going to use it because I'm the admin of my Jenkins. I'm going to use this part. Now see this guys. Here, these are my already developed projects, right? So I don't need to explain these projects, but yes, when we talk about UI, these are the things we need to take care of, right? This is your dashboard. My dashboard is this. If I click here, it will give me all the option. If I want to create a new project, I can create new project. How many resources I have, I can take those resources. How many build, it means how many times my code got executed. I will get these details from here. In which project I am, I can see. If I want to install some more plugins, I want to see the configuration. I want to get so many options from here, right? So I can see all of these options from here, right? Anyway, I don't need to go ahead in this part right now because it is a part of configuration and we will look into this part, right, later. So configuration part is something which we will do after some time. After this, if you see, manage Jenkins, my views, lockable resources, new view. My views is like currently this is my view, right? So whatever the projects assigned to me, whatever the build I have created, projects I have created, I will be able to see all of these things here, right? This is the basic Jenkins, raw Jenkins I have right now. And then here I can see, all right, which code I want to execute. So I can see that code here. First thing guys, let's say we are going to run one Java project, normal Java project in this machine, in the Jenkins server. But to do that Java project, we need Java in this machine also the way we create Java home creations, right? We do Java home creation, Java underscore home. We do it, right, in our local machine. So this is the point where we talk about Jenkins GUI settings and configuration part, right? And there you see all of these options we have already discussed. This new item, people, build history, manage Jenkins, and this part. Now we are going to configure JDK. The way we usually configure JDK in our local machine, we have to configure this JDK in Jenkins as well. So from where we can do it, click on Manage Jenkins, click on Manage Jenkins, go into here, Global Tool Configuration, and there you will see option JDK installation. Let me open it, right? JDK installation. You will see this option JDK installation. What does it mean? It is asking for add JDK. So what I am doing, this is the part to my JDK which I am using here. So name Java 1.8, you have to provide whatever the Java you are using. So Java 14, Java 1.14, I am using Java 1.8, and this is the path where my JDK is available in my machine, right? So Java and JDK path is this Java underscore home. The same path I am using to create home creation on my local machine, the same path I am providing here as well. All right, guys. So just do one thing, click at JDK, add JDK, you will get this option, Java 1.8, keep it here, copy the path and paste it here, click on apply and save option. That's it. So once you save it, your Java is ready in this one, right? Now you can execute your any Java project here.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope the covered topics will help you in your career development and growth. See you in our next video.